Wednesday, March 10th, and I worked all day today, and then I got home, grabbed Purple here, as you can see, and we took a load. Kind of weird, but yeah, y'all can tell Charlie Brown I found the great pumpkin. That's right, I found a Schneider load, and I figured, hey, I haven't tried their power only load board yet, so yeah, I'm pulling a Schneider load tonight. So far I'm not impressed. So with Schneider, they send you somewhere to pick up an empty trailer, and then you take the empty to your pickup location, you drop the empty and pick up your loaded. So the last 2 days, these people have been driving me crazy. I mean, calling me, emailing me, are you going to be able to make your pickup on time? Are you going to be able to make your pickup on time? I'm like, it doesn't start until tomorrow night. Why are you calling me? So, they called me today, right before I was about to leave the house. It was 4 o'clock. And they're like, are you going to make your pickup time? Our customer service wants to know, are you going to make your pickup time? So, I told them, I said, yeah, I'm getting ready to leave the house here at 5. I'm going to stop and get some fuel. I'll be down to the empty trailer acquisition location to pick up the empty trailer at 6. I said, it's 5 minutes up the road from my pickup. I'll drop. I'll be on the road by, 7:30. And I'll be up here in Pendergrass, Georgia at the Walgreens Distribution Center by, 9 at the latest. My appointment wasn't till 10. So, I had it worked out in my head the way it's supposed to go. But of course, I get to the empty trailer location, they don't have any empty trailers. So I call them, and I email them, and I call them again, and they finally start doing something, because I got an email back, saying that they started the process to find me an empty trailer. At this time, it's already 7:15, and so I'm getting a little nervous. I'm not going to be able to, get this load done, or, get out here on time, which I didn't. I was 20 minutes late. I've never been late for an appointment, ever. But luckily I pulled in and there was 2 trucks in the doors at this Walgreens place, so they weren't busy at all. They took me anyway, and they're unloading me now. If you can tell, the truck's shaking, jumping around because the forklifts are going in and out of the back. But yeah, so I called them, emailed them, and in the app, because you use an app just like you do with Convoy and a couple other people when you're doing power only, a trailer number popped up in my new trailer acquisition place, but there's no address. It says to be determined. So I'm sitting there and I'm waiting, and I call again, and same thing. They tell me, oh yeah, we're working on it. I'm like, well, I've got a trailer number. Obviously y'all know where the trailer is, or you wouldn't have a trailer number. And a few minutes later, I get an email that has a picture from Google Earth of where the trailer is, but doesn't have an address. And it stated, if you don't know where this is at based on the GPS picture, give me a call, and then I'll update it in the app and give you the address. So, from me, doing quite a few loads in that area, based on the GPS picture, I knew exactly where it was. It was at the Amazon location, right across the street from Procter & Gamble, where I was picking up this load. Go figure. Why wouldn't you send me there first, where they had 12 empty trailers sitting right across the street, instead of sending me 2 exits up the highway to a place that didn't have any trailers? So, my first experience with Schneider is not going very well. They screwed me on time because they don't know where their shit is. And then, because of that, I was late for my appointment. No harm, no foul, I don't believe. They're unloading me, they're accepting the product, everything's good there. But, what if this would have been during the day and this place was packed with trucks? They more than likely would have pushed my appointment, put me at the back of the line, and it could have been sometime tomorrow before I got unloaded. That's just not the way you do things, I've heard horror stories about Schneider and JB Hunt 360 and all that stuff, with trying to find trailers. But I guess it is what it is. I really only took this load just to try it out because I haven't done any power only for Schneider, so I was like, I'll give it a shot. It's $4 a mile, $4 a mile on 84 miles. So I was like, it's just an evening run. It'll be, quick and painless. Well, that's not the case. So I pretty much spent everything that I'm making. I put fuel in the truck because it was a little bit low. So I was like, I'll put $400 in the truck. So basically, well, no, I didn't put 400. I was going to put 400, but I ended up putting 200 in. Because after that Lebanon, Ohio load, she was a little bit low, so I didn't want her sucking any slime out of the bottom of the tank. So yeah, that's an update on what I'm doing. I'll get out here in a second and I'll let you see how orange and purple go together. They don't go together. But, it's worth a shot, I guess. I don't know if I'll be doing any more Schneider loads. They don't pay real well, and you can't... Ugh, damn it, boys. You can't negotiate. So, you can't, bid on a load or anything like that. What they have it posted for is what you get paid, So, I don't like that. But I do like the fact that when I leave here, they will find a drop yard really close by where you deliver to drop the trailer, and then I just bobtail home. So I don't have to, like with Convoy, you deliver a load, live unload, and then you're stuck with the trailer and you have to bring the trailer back to where you picked it up or to another location, or you can keep the trailer and they'll charge you, you can keep the trailer for like $350. You can keep it for like 6 or 7 days and you can use it for all kinds of other loads, stuff like that. So that's kind of cool about Convoy. But I do like the fact that when I leave here, I'm driving 5 minutes down the road to Jefferson, Georgia, and I'm dropping this trailer off, and then I just bobtail home. So I don't have to go back to Union City and drop this trailer like I would if it was a Convoy load. Other than that, I don't know, experience hadn't been that great so far. Their trailers are nice, I will say that. They got a lot nicer trailers than, you know, a lot of the power only stuff you do. But yeah, I'll hop out here and I'll show you what you're looking at. So yeah, there's purple. We all know purple. And there is the pumpkin. Schneider. It's pretty weird. Oh, my leg fell asleep sitting in the truck. Oh, I can hardly walk. So yeah, old purple looks funny with an orange trailer behind it. Purple and orange don't really go together. Oh, get you a better look. Yeah, looks kind of funny. Purple's still pretty though. Oh, I didn't show y'all this. So when we went down to the 75 Chrome Shop show, we had that special made. My wife had that special made for me down there. Pretty freaking sweet. It's gonna look real good when purple gets repainted real soon. Oh. Yeah. Schneider. Oh, purple. Yeah, it's time for a paint job. I started doing some spray outs on a couple of spare parts that I had laying around, and so I painted them purple. Did 2 coats of purple, and then 3 coats of clear, and then wet sanded and buffed. As you can see, purple's starting to fade out on the top. You can start. The white's almost starting to come back through here and there, it looks like. You can only see it in certain lights. It's weird, but yeah. It's weird in the camera, it looks blue up there. But yeah, the roof's starting to fade pretty good, and rock chips galore. So yeah, she's due for a paint job. She's definitely gonna get a paint job before she goes to the semi-casual truck show, and she's gonna be looking all shiny and pretty when we go there, because she's actually gonna be in the show so people can see her. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be real cool. I think what I'm gonna do is so I've got an extra 32-inch flat screen at the house in my basement, just sitting there collecting dust. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it up in the window here on the passenger side, and I'm gonna play my YouTube channel on it. I'm gonna make a YouTube playlist and just have it loop over and over while we're there, and you know, put a sticker up there that says, you know, Don McCord YouTube channel, and I think that'll be good advertisement for the channel. Yeah, it just really looks pretty odd. Purple with an orange trailer. I wish they would have had a white one, that would have been better. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an update on what I'm doing, and let y'all know that I'm doing a Schneider power only. I know y'all are probably laughing at me, but you know, $4 a mile, I couldn't pass it up, you know, just to give it a shot. So, well, all right, guys. Well, I'll catch y'all in the next one, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you.